Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. Today in this video I have the Skyzone 03O OLED FPV video goggles, the newest from Skyzone. So it's time to test these FPV video goggles and see how it feels, what is different in the OLED version. Before I had the Skyzone 03S, the older version, non-OLED version, and now I have the OLED version. So basically everything else is same, which you can find out right here in unboxing and closer look views. So this is the Skyzone 03O OLED goggles. Installing the foam pad was very nice with this faceplate. It is very easy to install this foam on a faceplate, so the goggles will sit very nice and comfortably. Diopter lenses are replaceable. You can easily replace them if you wear glasses. Okay, on the front side you have the camera. Okay, so you can walk or see the model, and an LED bar here that can change different kind of colors, and you can actually customize it to change like really nice and futuristic color schemes and patterns. You have a fan for defogging the lenses. Fan, you can turn it on and off accordingly, or leave it to auto or always on. That's what I do. I keep it always on. Now when it comes to the button, there isn't much changed here. Same buttons, record mode and surge. For the auto scanning, you will press and hold surge and lock onto the strongest signal, and then press and hold again. You can change the mode and record the DVR using the record button. Here you have manual change, band, channel buttons, and head tracker button. Then you have the on-off switch right here. At the bottom of the goggles, again, nothing has changed. You have a DC in. Before, I remember the DC in was here, so this is the only change I see. Before, the DC in was here, now the DC in is here. Okay, so you can power the goggles using a battery. You have a tracker out, you have IPD adjusters here, you have AV in, HDMI in, USB, AV out, and TF card slot with the headphone slot right here. So basically nothing much changed right here, except that the DC in has come down here from this side now. Overall, the goggles are very, very nice, but somewhere they are definitely reducing on quality. For instance, when I'm installing this foam pad, you can see this have torn just like that. I didn't even use force on it. I was just installing it, and it started tearing off, and I'm sure it will keep tearing all the way in the end. Also, when removing and installing this faceplate, you can see a corner chipped off. That shows the very poor quality of plastic used at this time with the Skyzone goggles. I would be scared to drop them basically. Alright, welcome back. So I'm going to use the Skyzone 03O, the OLED FPV goggles, and fly my current most favorite HD FPV toothpick, the Eachine Twig 115. I also changed the receiver to Crossover RX so that I can fly Eachine Twig with my favorite Futaba 14 SG radio, because now the Eachine Twig is running SFHSS protocol Crossover RX on it. Micro RX, you can see it's really nice, tiny. Now before we carry on, what is the benefit of having the OLED goggles? Well, it is to say the OLEDs are more bright, more vivid colors, more clear and sharper image. Refresh rate is very high, and obviously OLED is the future for the better, brighter, sharper, crisp, clear picture when flying FPV. Now I have used Skyzone 03S non-OLED versions, and today I'm going to use OLED versions, and you can easily hear while I do commentary while flying that how I'm feeling and what is the difference in image that I'm feeling. So here we go. Let's lock onto the signal, auto scan, Adjust the goggles on my face. Oh, wow. Man, this is really a very, very clear image here. Wow, this is different. It's definitely different. Let's fly it, shall we? Let's get comfortable. Air mode. Ooh, 3-blade props are nice. Oh man, I'm not gonna talk about Ishin Twig right now. Right now I'm gonna talk about how clear the image is. Oh man, this image is amazing. Very clear, nice, bright. I mean, I have used my goggles previously and I know they were good, the Skyzone O3S, but OLED is different, man. Whew. I gotta change the, bands and frequencies because I'm having a lot of glitches, especially when I'm going farther. So to say, I gotta change the bands and frequencies, but man, I'm loving the image here. Oh, Ishin Twig is flying like, dude, why you're flying me so slow? Give me some punch. Give me something mainly. Whoa. Ooh, wow, man. Sweet. Nice. Pretty quiet, Ishin Twig right there. I still see jello. I gotta do something on the camera level now. I mean, even on HQ props you're having jello. I think now I am right to, conclude that the flips are very slow. I'm right to conclude that, the screws that you put in the propellers to tighten the propellers into the motors, I believe those screws are doing this, They are creating vibrations and jello. Definitely, it's the screws, not the props now. So I gotta do something about this, and maybe now I gotta do something on the camera level. On the camera level, I can actually, put some vibration damping on it. That will be nice, I think. But on low RPM, I think there's no jello. Alright, time to land. With that camera angle, you have to go pretty far. Yeah, baby, that was nice. Oh man, I mean, really, I can tell you, really, that the image is absolutely wonderful in these Skyzone OLED goggles. It's absolutely the most clear image I have ever seen in these kind of goggles. So definitely, OLED is the way to go now. And comparing the prices, I know Fat Shark have dropped the prices for their HDO goggles, but definitely when it comes to goggles, FPV video goggles that have built-in diversity receiver, you don't have to search for external receivers to put in. You don't have to do those kind of tweaking on that. You have a built-in head tracker, you have a built-in DVR and OLED. You have a front camera, you have a defogging fan here, you have a front LED lights that you can customize, and all these features with OLEDs. Man, these are definitely HDO killers out there. Definitely one of the best FPV video goggles you can put your hands on. I'm glad I have these. Now, these goggles are gonna stay with me all the time to fly micro quads, FPV racing quadcopters, toothpick, FPV whoops, and obviously upcoming Rambler RS. And obviously upcoming the Rambler RS long-range FPV flights, I'll use these goggles as well. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.